Paano bumitaw nang hindi nagiging mapait? Hi guys, welcome back to Real Talk Hustle for today. Day 3 of the year. The noise is still low. Tama ba? So let's be honest. Letting go is hard not because you didn't love, but because you did. Marami sa atin kumakapit hanggang sumakit. Tapos nagiging galit. But bitterness is not strength. It's unresolved grief. This year, let your letting go be clean. Bumitaw ka hindi dahil talo ka, kundi dahil ayaw mo nang masaktan ang sarili mo. You can release someone without carrying resentment. Paano? 3 practical moves. 1. Grieve without judgment. Hayaan mong maramdaman ang lungkot nang hindi minamadali o kinokondena ang sarili. 2. Release the need for closure. Hindi lahat ng bitaw may paliwanag. Minsan, sapat na ang desisyon mo. Number 3. Choose peace over proving a point. Piliin ang katahimikan kaysa ipaglaban ang huling salita. Tandaan, this year, let your goodbyes be gentle. Hindi lahat ng bitaw kailangang masakit. I'm Catherine Yucor, and once again, you're watching Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.